Looking for the best workout shoes for men that combine comfort, performance, and value? In this video, I've reviewed 5 popular options: Adidas Light Racer Adapt, Under Armour Charged Surge, New Balance Running, HIIT Lightweight Sneakers, and YDB Athletic Shoes. I tested them for comfort, durability, breathability, and price to help you find the perfect pair for the gym, running, or daily workouts. Stay tuned as I break down the pros, cons, and which shoe gives you the best value for your money. Product number 1, Adidas Light Racer Adapt Sneaker. After testing the Adidas Light Racer Adapt during workouts and daily walks, I noticed it's one of the most comfortable slip-on workout shoes for light training and casual use. The breathable textile upper keeps the feet cool, while the cloud foam midsole provides soft cushioning that feels like walking on air during long sessions. The biggest advantage is convenience. The slip-on design makes it very easy to wear and remove quickly. However, for intense gym workouts or heavy running, the support and stability are slightly limited. The upper fabric also isn't great in rainy weather and may wear faster if used roughly. Compared with the other 4 shoes, the Adidas model sits in the mid-price range, but offers better brand reliability and comfort. If you want a stylish gym shoe that also works for everyday wear, this is a solid choice. Buyers who value comfort, lightweight feel, and brand quality will find it worth the price. Product number 2, Under Armour Charged Surge Running Shoe. The Under Armour Charged Surge stands out as one of the most balanced workout shoes in this group. During my testing for running and gym training, the charged cushioning midsole provided excellent shock absorption and energy return, making it feel responsive during cardio workouts. Another highlight is the breathable mesh upper that keeps feet cool during longer sessions. The rubber outsole also provides strong traction on gym floors and pavement. Many users praise its comfort and durability, which makes it suitable for multiple activities, like running, strength training, or daily wear. The downside is that the shoe can feel narrow for wide feet, and the arch support may not satisfy everyone without extra insoles. Despite that, its performance is stronger than most budget shoes on this list. Price-wise, it's slightly higher than HIIT or YDB, but offers much better durability and performance, making it a smart investment for serious workout users. Product number 3, New Balance Running Shoe. From my experience reviewing workout footwear, the New Balance Running Cayenne Shadow offers a great balance between comfort and athletic performance. New Balance shoes are known for supportive cushioning and stable design, and this model performs well during treadmill running, walking, and moderate gym sessions. The cushioning feels soft yet supportive, which helps reduce fatigue during long workouts. The breathable mesh upper improves airflow, keeping feet cooler during intense training. One thing I appreciated is the balanced fit. It feels more supportive than budget options like HIIT or YDB. However, compared with the Under Armour Charged Surge, the energy return and flexibility feel slightly less dynamic. The price is also usually a bit higher than budget sneakers. Still, if buyers want a trusted athletic brand with reliable comfort and durability, this shoe is a strong choice. It's ideal for people who want a versatile running shoe that performs well in both workouts and daily activities. Product number 4, HIIT Walking Lightweight Breathable Sneakers. After trying the HIIT lightweight sneakers, I can say they are one of the best ultra-budget workout shoes in this comparison. The breathable mesh upper allows strong airflow and prevents overheating during long walks or gym sessions. The shoe is also very lightweight, which makes it comfortable for everyday use. Another advantage is the soft foam insole that provides decent cushioning for walking or light exercise. The anti-slip rubber sole helps maintain traction on smooth surfaces, making it suitable for gym workouts or casual running. However, the main drawback is durability. Compared with premium brands like Adidas or Under Armour, the materials feel simpler and may not last as long with heavy training. In terms of price compatibility, HIIT is one of the cheapest options among the 5 products. If you want an affordable gym shoe for light workouts, walking, or daily wear, this model delivers great value for money. Product number 5. VamJam Men's Running Shoes. The lightweight athletic sneakers are another budget-friendly option designed mainly for walking, gym workouts, and casual activities. After reviewing them alongside the other models, the first thing I noticed is how light and breathable they feel. The mesh construction helps maintain airflow and keeps the feet comfortable during moderate activity. The flexible sole allows natural foot movement, which makes the shoe comfortable for walking or light training. In terms of style, it also looks sporty and modern, similar to more expensive sneakers. However, the performance level is lower than the Under Armour or New Balance models. The cushioning and long-term durability are more limited, which means they are better suited for light workouts rather than intense running. Price-wise, VamJam Men's Running Shoes is among the most affordable shoes in this list, similar to HIIT. For buyers who want a very cheap workout sneaker for occasional gym sessions, it can be a practical option. Thank you for watching the video till the end. If you like the video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more such videos. If you want, you can also share it with your friends.